Then I'm going to click on My Apps. All right, so in iTunes Connect, click on My Apps. Once you click there, all your apps will appear there. If you don't have any apps, that's normal. This will be empty, but don't worry about it. Next thing you want to do is click on the top left sign. There's a plus sign. Click on that plus sign, and let's add a new app. All right, and now let's select iOS. Let's give it a name. And by the way, the name that you need to put here is the same name as the name you put inside of Unity. So mine is called, let me double check because I don't really remember what I put there. Mine is called, so to remember what your IP is, go to File, Build Settings, and then Player Settings. Okay, and it's right here, Color Switch Clone. So I'm just going to copy this and just put it here, Color Switch Clone. And the primary language, it would be English for me, but you can choose your. The bundle ID, it might not be here just yet. So let's see. It might be there. As soon as I create the build here, it will appear. Okay, so it's still linking. So we'll have to wait for this to finish so that we can have that. If not, let me show you how to create it. I'm going to take that, go to a new browser window and go to the developer.apple.com website. And I'm going to sign in on account. And now I'm going to click on certificates, identifiers, and profiles. Once I'm there, I'm going to click on identifier app ID. I'm going to add a new app ID. And this app ID would be a new one. So I'm going to click on plus on the top right, put it a name, and the name would be clone color switch. That's mine, but feel free to put which name you want. Okay, and then I'm going to put a value which would be the team ID, and then the bundle ID will be com.appsfresh.colorclone. Now, do not put mine because this needs to be unique. So put any other one. It doesn't matter as long as it's a unique. Okay, and then I'm going to click on continue. All right, and register. Cool. So now I have an app ID. It's there. Click on done. Now I can go back to iTunes Connect, and now I'm going to press Command R or refresh. So you can refresh this page. So make sure you refresh this page so that you're able to get there. If somehow it doesn't work, that's okay. I can always, okay, here it comes. It took a while. So click on plus, new app, iOS. So the name was Clone Color Switch. And then I'm going to choose English. And the bundle identifier is the one that I just added. And I need to find it here. And I actually see it. I'm lucky because I have so many, I have like hundreds of them. But I see it right there, Color Clone Switch. You guys see it? So I'm going to click here. And now I'm going to put the same for the SKU number, okay, which would be com.appsfresh.colorclone. I usually do this because it's very easy to remember that it's the same one as the SKU number. And click on Create. All right. So now this is going to come up. And this is the screen to send it to the Apple Store. All right. Now, you need to fill up the information here. Any privacy policy, what category. So this is going to be in games. I'm going to go really fast on this because I have other courses that are showing you how to do that. And it's very straightforward. Okay. And save. Every time you do something, click on save. Then click on the price. You know, if you want to change the price, make sure you click on prices. Okay, prices and availability. And make sure, right now I'm just going to put it free, but feel free to put something. No discounts, and click on save. All right. Then click on prepare for submission. When you're here, oh wait, I gotta wait. It's still saving, so it's taking a while. Then I gotta click on prepare for submission. And here, what I have to do is put the description and add some screenshots. Now you can take the screenshots straight from Unity. You can go in Unity, and when you press play, you do Command-Alt-Shift-4, and you take a screenshot, and this goes in your desktop, okay? So you have to modify the size, but it's telling you what size it is by clicking here on iOS screenshot properties. So it's pretty straightforward. Put a description for your app. This is what's going to be seen on the App Store. So this is the description that will be seen in the iTunes App Store. Okay. put some keywords. I'm not going to go into the details here because this can be, for the keywords, this is a search engine optimization, or SEO, or ASO, App Store optimization. There's a lot going on here, but we need a build here. And we don't have an app icon, but let's go and get the app icon. Click on choose, and let's go get the app icon that we made, which is here, icon 2. All right, I'm going to use it and click on open. All right, and keep filling the copyrights and so on. Okay, and then click on save.